actually didn't go in. That actually didn't go in. There's a man down. The man is down. The man is down. Let it go. This is Ologuneru Road by Idi-Igbaro, and you think you've seen it all in Ibadan, Oyo State. We'll still try. So please. Yeah, no, there's one that. Bro, I'm not having you.
Ah, this one. Your hand strong.
Let them know what they enter. It's big enough, so somebody will call it. This is cool. So yeah, you show us.
We don't have guys for now.
So we're going upstairs to check the rooms.
No, we don't have hotel rooms. This is also the view center, but still working on
Honestly, I'm not expecting to see this is nice. So this is nice. So this is the viewing center. But it's not. I've not played snooker in like 20 years.
wow.
But it is what it is. $2 we will try. I mean, you don't feel this. Sorry, I'm just. That's the way. I'm sorry. That's just the way I. This is nice. Officially. I mean, I went to Brazil. Okay. This is nice. This is nice. So, how much do you do?
This is 30K.
30K per night. So, this is the most expensive or the cheapest?
The cheapest.
The cheapest is the cheapest.
Yes.
So, where are we going?
40K.
Okay, 40K is not too bad. Can we see that 40K?
I'm taking you guys there.
This is nice. That one is
That's 30K.
30K. This is 40K. It's not bad. You know, mini wardrobe and all that. You know, it's not bad. Really, it's not. It's getting tougher.
Sure, because this is second leg. So anybody that visits is going
on. Is it by registration?
No, it's home and away there. The first leg is all over. So this is second leg now. So anybody that visits second leg.
We are going to a father's house. But that is
Yes, it's a government registration. 100,000. So how much do I win? 1 million.
I'm going to probably why we're doing the environment, the viewing center, that's fine. No wonder I see the energy, everything is just there. Is it chicken suya or what suya or
There's chicken suya and this is beef suya.
no? I want the one that is almost done.
Okay, yes, this one.
The one that is almost done. So I'm getting this with what? Chips. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, we are still at Crystal Palace Sporting Recreation Center, and you can as well eat stuffs. You see chicken, corn. They have chips as well, but I think she's bringing it anyway. So they have chips. You make your order and all that. So Ologuneru is not small in Ibadan. It's not
All
small.
around. You also have only barbecue chicken. What you have abroad, chicken wings and chips.
Okay.
Barbecue, crunchy chicken, Korean fried, anything.
What's Korean fries?
Korean fried chicken. It's like a saucy chicken. You know, when you add us on our TikTok, you'll be able to find all our.
I'll get your stuff. So I'll add you on TikTok. Though I'm not on TikTok, but
Oh.
we do YouTube anyway.
Not really had much post on Instagram.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, bros, how you doing now? Yeah, we're here at the Crystal Palace Recreation. Okay, please let them hear it. Let them hear it. So,
Crystal Palace 14 and recreation.
okay, what brought about the idea of this place?
Yes, what brought about the idea of this place is we do go outside, play ball, we go everywhere. We've never seen anywhere that they have these like 4 or let's say 7 activities in the place. You either see somebody that has a gym or football field or hotel or so we coming together to make use of this place to come out to bring along these kind of activities is one in this whole environment.
Speaking of one in this environment, we drove all the way from what's it called, Eleyele Junction to this place, which is about let's say 10 or 15 minutes. We didn't see anywhere left or right, so that's a nice one. So what are you doing to probably? I know you have a viewing center, you have what's it called, a cinema center, and you have a lodge, which is not that much, but it's beautiful. What you've seen it. What are you doing to make this place probably bigger for people? Because people will definitely come,
Yes.
and the size may not take them anymore. What are you doing to make sure that you get a bigger space and make space bigger?
Although we have someone in the door present, we are like 3 or 4 acres already. Because a lot of people are coming here asking us whether we have basketball or volleyball.
Definitely.
We have a lot of activities people want us to add there. But here already is full. So we have an extension there, but we can, let's say in the next year, 2 years, we're working towards that. The field is already cleared already. So we're working towards that to have an extension, let's say within a year or 2 now, we have a full place.
Okay. So right now, this place is moving. What is your biggest challenge in this place now?
Yes, our biggest challenge here is because this is a sporting and recreational center. We don't allow alcohol and smoking.
Okay.
So
I think I saw that when I was coming in.
Yes, that has been one of our challenges. Because basically, a lot of people come here.
They want to
drink.
recreate, and
They want
after
to
playing
drink,
ball,
after
sit
playing ball,
down
they
and
want
drink.
to sit down,
Okay,
relax,
okay,
and drink.
okay.
We don't take that.
Okay.
So we later learned most of them are smuggling in, so we have to hire a security that will be on ground, check them at the entrance. So some people still find a way to smuggle it in. When we see them, we ask our security respectfully to take them out. So that has been challenging a lot because a lot of people they come here to want to do it, let's say like a birthday party, but they will use alcohol, and we don't take alcohol.
Meanwhile, you've told them in your terms and conditions you don't do that.
Don't get that here. So it's one of our biggest challenges.
All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I wish you bigger success in years to come. Thank you, and thank you for having us. We appreciate it. All right.